Oh no! Our 4 cows are so hungry! We forgot to feed them! I have a great idea! We need a red tractor with a wooden trailer to carry the heavy feed bags. Great idea! Let's draw a powerful red tractor. Red for the tractor and brown for the wooden trailer.
Wow! Wow!
Our red tractor is ready for work. Hey, Uppo.
Moo? Hey! Stop! Where are you taking our cow?
We have to catch him!
He's getting away! The poor cow is so cold. We must help her.
Now, let's rescue our tractor. Caught you! You shouldn't play with our animals and cars like that. Now, write your apology and help us feed the cows. Teamwork makes the dream work. Everyone is happy now. Remember, kids, taking care of animals is our mission. Goodbye. What vehicle should we draw next? Let us know. Thanks for watching Busy Vehicles Kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.